Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's topic, Light Up Your Life Precautions on Infatuation. Why I selected this topic? Most of the youth they are focusing on towards their love. Mostly they can't realize is it correct or not. It may be a love or infatuation. In that moment, they are neglecting their responsibilities what their teachers, parents taught to them towards their age and duty. They will be focusing on that person, even is there any chance to get some problems. They are unable to digest all these. Sometimes it leads to depression, even suicides also. Infatuation means a feeling of foolish love for admiration or obsessively strong for admiration. Mostly these thoughts dominate them. They can't analyze what is their feelings, all these. A strong feeling of love or attraction for somebody. Infatuation is fast in fantasy, like a daydream. They are imagining all these. It may be a movie stories, all these. But sometimes some of the points are not possible to implement in real life also. If they get that clarification, there is no chance to face the problems in their life. Love is reality. It takes time. So we must be conscious on infatuation or love. Parents, teachers, other well wishers, they are not opposing to speak to the age group in connected to the studies. They can share their problems connected to other points, but it extremes the limits. There is a chance to face the problems. Some of the weakness make them to go to the movies, to spend time with the opposite sex. It extremes there is a chance to face the difficulties in the teenage also. In that way, we can take the word think spelling. T means so is it right or wrong? H means is it helpful to their life or not? I means is there any chance to inspire all this? N is it necessary to get that much deep towards their friendship or love? K means is it kind? So if you get that analyzation, then you can realize your problems. You can get some control on your life also. Most of the adolescents they may neglect their studies by infatuation. So in future, by that negligence, they have to face so many problems, not getting proper income, all this. So if they get that good vision on present studies, there is no chance to miss their good future. So in that moment, they may get some temporary happiness by infatuation, but they have to focus their duties allotted in that age, all this. So, in precautions, if we take the word infatuation, we'll go to the spelling. I means please don't involve too much attraction towards the opposite sex in that age. N means it may be a common to get some curiosity, interest, all this. N is it's a natural one. Another next F means freedom. Whatever the freedom you got from your parents or teachers, you must utilize them in useful way, but you should not go for wrong path also. A means avoid temptation. T means trust. Whatever the trust between your parents and yourself, you must be serious on that one. Don't cheat other person. Even it may be another who is too much interest on you also. You must be sincere. You means you must prove yourself as a unique. It may be to get a good role, good future. A means don't get addict. Is there any depression, failure? Don't become addicts for alcohol or drugs. T for what your teachers and parents taught you from your childhood onwards. You must think all this. I try to be independent. Think yourself. Trust yourself. Then O, be obedient. It gives more patience to understand the problems even if you get that infatuation. N means you must follow all these to what's in your age, what is your responsibility, all this. By observing all these points in this video, most of the adolescents, there is a chance to think. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, my website address http://nalinipilluru psychologist.com. Thank you.